hey, I'm talking.
Okay, my apologies, Miss Girl.
Miss who?
She's not a girl. It's Miss Toller.
It's Judge Toller.
Judge Toller.
Be quiet.
Y'all, I'm selling lip gloss and excuse my hair. Y'all, if y'all want y'all lips popping like mine, come holler at me. Y'all, I don't even know what to say because my lips popping. And goodbye. Period. I mean it.
The first step through to next week's grand finale is Fifth Harmony!
Some of y'all about to be real mad at me, but it must be said. Some of y'all is fat and ugly and unattractive, but that is okay. Just be who you are.
If you're gonna let me down gently. Don't pretend that you don't want me. Our love ain't water under the bridge. If you're gonna let
Stop it. So let's get down.
Slay!
we're all the villains sometimes.
That's great.
Oh, I see.
This is insane.
What the fuck kind of bug is that?
Oh, bitch, an eyelash bug. Ooh, bitch, I'm on fleek. The fuck?
It looks just
like got my lashes done in the club. Munching you.
Heroes who all have that best new artist vibe. Make it stop laughing at me. Well, I'm nervous, y'all.
Play, Alexa, play Megatron by Nicki Minaj. Billy, they're saying it's the best
Here's
God
Megatron by Nicki
worshiping
Minaj
song.
on Amazon Music.
So we'll see. They said it's the best worshiping song by God. I'll listen to it for a minute. If not,
They call me Megatron, just did a telethon. He got my jealous on, and I got my jealous on.
Alexa, stop.
I know a lot of things, but I don't know about that. I'm not sure why.
So maybe we should put Kalani in her place.
No, I never said that.
Yes, you most certainly did.
No, I didn't, dingbat. Listen, I said, Brooke, is your mother
Get
speaking
your
for
finger
you? Do you
out
want to
of
be
my face.
Girls out the room.
Yeah,
Girls
you would eat
out
me.
the room.
Oh, a Rolex is timeless.
Yeah, but I
If you let it and you rewind it and you work it, it can last forever.
Okay. Whatever that means. It's getting weird.
I want to be ninja. I want to jump.
I see you. We good. Okay. We good. I see you. We see each other. We good.
So, Dula Peep went.
I got my half up, half down. Did it give Ariane? Did I give Arianka or no?
I'm scared, but I just want to say thank you guys for being so welcoming because I'm new, you know?
What the fuck am I doing?
It's been great. Thanks, I guess. I love you, Mom and Dad.
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct, but it's wordy and hard to read.
Who the fuck is Nike Minaya?
I mean, it's fine, I'll drink it. But it's not what I paid for. It's not. It sucks. It's fucking horrible. Anyway.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nicki Minaj is the queen of rap! Nicki Minaj is the queen of rap!
And that is what toxic abusive people do is they will deflect onto you as hard as they can. Point the finger at the chair, throw them off his chair, you get yours eventually.
Let's see if yours work.
It's what she deserves.
Oh my God.
If you don't want it done to yours, don't do it to mine.
This is my impression of Dixie talking about her makeup. I don't do my makeup every day, but every day I don't wear makeup always is the day the paparazzi finds me. So,
Laugh, funny. That's funny. To me, it's funny.
There's this
Fake giant chain.
Wait, did you say fake?
Shout out to everybody with social anxiety. I kind of feel sorry for you. Oh, yeah.